What's going on, you guys? Cameron here with another video with the Think Studio YouTube channel. We're going to create a blank database so that we can just do a basic script set. So what I'm going to show you is the new record script step. And I'm just going to create a name field and click OK. And so you have FileMaker open here. I'm going to do Command Shift S to open up the script workspace. You can also go to scripts and click script workspace. We're going to click the plus icon here, and this one's just going to be a new record request. So within this script, we're just going to type in new record / request. Command S to save the script. The script name is new record, and all it does is a new record request. So the outcome of this video is to, let's say we edit this layout and we want to have a button that is new record. And what does this button do? It creates a new record. So let's say you're designing a database that you don't have the default menu bar here. And you just want a custom design button that does the same thing as the new record button by default. You can click new record. This will automatically take you to the name field. Every single time you click new record, it's generating a new record. It always jumps to the same text field box. So that's a quick overview of how to write a new record script and assign it to a button and perform a new record request. Thanks, guys.